Exercise 5.3, question number 2. Find the sums given below. First is 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus last one is 84. For this arithmetic progression, A is equal to 7, D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to 10 1 by 2 minus 7. This can be written as 21 by 2 minus 7, which gives 7 by 2. And the last term L is equal to 84. Now let 84 be the nth term of this arithmetic progression. L is equal to A plus n minus 1 t. So 84 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2. This gives 84 minus 7 is 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. This implies 77 into 2 by 7 is equal to n minus 1. This implies n minus 1 is equal to 22, which gives n is equal to 23. Now we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. N is 23, so 23 by 2, A is 7 and L is 84. This gives 23 by 2 into 91, which is equal to 2093 by 2, which is our answer. Or this can also be written as 1046 1 by 2. Now the second part. Second is 34 plus 32 plus 30. The last term is 10. So for this arithmetic progression, A is equal to 34, D is equal to A2 minus A1, which gives 32 minus 34, which is equal to minus 2. Last term is 10. Now let 10 be the nth term of this arithmetic progression. So L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Putting the value, 10 is equal to 34 plus n minus 1, D is minus 2. This gives minus 24 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2, which implies n minus 1 is equal to 12, which implies n is equal to 12 plus 1, which is equal to 13. Now we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Putting the value, we will get 13 by 2, a is 34 and L is 10. This is equal to 13 by 2 into 44. This will give 13 into 22, which is equal to 286, which is our answer. Now the third part. Third is minus 5 plus under bracket minus 8 plus minus 11 plus last one is minus 230. So again, for this arithmetic progression, a is equal to minus 5, d is equal to a2 minus a1, which is equal to minus 8 minus under bracket minus 5, which gives minus 3, and L is minus 230. Again, let minus 230 be the nth term of this arithmetic progression. So we will get L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting the value, minus 230 is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 and d is minus 3. Solving this, we will get minus 225 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. This will give n minus 1 is equal to minus 225 divided by minus 3, which implies n minus 1 is equal to 75, which gives n is equal to 75 plus 1, which is equal to 76. Now again, we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Putting the value, 76 by 2, a is minus 5 plus L is minus 230. This is equal to 38 into minus 235, which gives minus 8930, which is our answer.